Ever pondered over the significance of Python in the realm of web development? Well, today we dive into this fascinating topic. Python, an extremely versatile language, has found a firm foothold in web development, and for good reasons. Firstly, Python is renowned for its readability and simplicity. It has a clean, English-like syntax that makes it easier to read and write code. This simplicity allows you to focus more on solving problems rather than grappling with the language itself. Secondly, Python's rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks is a boon for web developers. Need to scrape the web for data? Beautiful Soup has got you covered. Looking to handle HTTP requests? Requests is your go-to library. Django and Flask, the two stalwarts in Python web frameworks, make it a breeze to build web applications. So how does one use Python in web development? Let's break it down. Step 1. Learn the basics of Python. Before you dive into web development, it's essential to have a strong foundation in Python. Understand the syntax, data types, control structures, functions, and classes. Step 2. Familiarize yourself with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the building blocks of the web, and it's important to know how they interact with Python. Step 3. Choose a Python web framework. Django and Flask are the most popular choices. Django is a high-level framework that encourages rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. Flask, on the other hand, is a micro-framework that gives you more flexibility and control. Step 4. Build a simple web application. Start with something simple like a blog or a to-do list. This will help you understand the flow of data in a web application. Step 5. Learn about databases. Most web applications need a database to store data. Python has several libraries to interact with databases. SQL Alchemy and Django ORM are popular choices. Step 6. Deploy your application. Once you've built your web application, it's time to share it with the world. You can use services like Heroku or Python Anywhere to deploy your application. Now, let's summarize the key points we've discussed. Python's simplicity and readability make it a great choice for web development. Its rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks provides tools to handle various tasks in web development. To use Python in web development, start by learning the basics of Python and the building blocks of the web. Choose a Python web framework and build a simple web application. Learn about databases and how Python interacts with them. Finally, deploy your application to share it with the world. So next time you're wondering about Python's role in web development, remember, it's not just a snake in the grass. It's a powerful tool that can help you build scalable, robust web applications.